shooting or is anyone idea?
Game starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
What? I don't think so. Woo! Walk out. I hit you, didn't I?
Nope.
That didn't hit you?
Nope.
Just now, I hit you. I shot right there, bro.
This guy, dude.
I shot him and then I just came out and shot you just now.
I would have felt the thing and I would
Dude, I shot him and then I came out and I shot you right here.
Dude, I stayed here and didn't shoot you. Do you want me to shoot you?
Dude, I didn't shoot. I shot you like this, bro. I swear to God. I promised you. I said. Okay. All right.
I was in the garage, you said.
There was nobody in the garage after just now.
Oh, I thought you were in the garage.
He must have gone up that way. Cause I shot the guy next to him. I swear to God, I came out. I hit you right there, bro. I pulled the trigger and then I pulled back, and I'm like.
Shoot me right here. It makes a distinct sound. Shoot me right there. Watch. I felt that. I actually felt that. Actually, it felt like air. Like, you know when you shoot it with nothing?